Scientists discovered dogs have specialized brain regions dedicated to recognizing faces. These areas light up when dogs see human or dog faces, showing a clear preference over random objects.
Think of it like our fusiform face area, a brain system designed for recognizing faces.
Dogs seem to have their own version, deeply wired into their brains. Using machine learning, scientists found a unique happiness signature in a dog's brain when they see a smiling face.
They can even distinguish it from anger or fear, decoding emotions precisely.
Your dog isn't just seeing your smile, they're feeling it in their brain.
It's not just sight, they hear your feelings too. The tone of your voice carries huge emotional information.
Dogs process negative sounds differently, showing more activity in the right hemisphere of their brain.
Positive or familiar sounds activate the left side, helping them decide if it's safe or joyful.
Yes, I'm so happy to see you too, buddy.
When cues don't match, they pause and analyze. This is split-second emotional processing.
Dogs combine sight and sound to form a complete emotional picture of you.
They're constantly running an emotional diagnostic, syncing eyes and ears.
This shows how their brain is wired for emotional intelligence. Now for smell. Your dog can literally sniff your feelings.
Scents travel directly to emotional centers in their brain, linking smell and memory.
They detect stress or fear through hormones in your sweat or breath.
Pillars.
Positive emotions trigger joy signals in your dog's brain. Studies show they can distinguish between happy and stressed odors reliably.
When they sense your calm or joy, they relax along with you.
This super sense helps them navigate life alongside you.
Oxytocin, the love hormone, surges when you and your dog gaze into each other's eyes.
This creates a feedback loop, deepening your bond. The love you share isn't just emotional, it's chemical.
Petting boosts their oxytocin, slowing heart rate and creating calm.
This hormone helps your dog pay more attention to your happiness. It's the invisible chemistry behind quiet moments of understanding.
These moments aren't just feelings, they're measurable biological responses. Your dog's attention and empathy reflect thousands of years of coevolution with humans.
Dogs use social referencing. They check your reaction to decide how to act.
They approach happy humans and avoid angry expressions, using emotions to guide behavior.
Even for treats, they pick the person with the better mood.
This shows they aren't just feeling, they're making smart decisions.
Dogs constantly read your emotions to navigate their world effectively.
They aren't just man's best friend, they're your emotional co-pilots, sensing, reacting, and bonding with you every day.